Hello. Hi, guys. Happy Friday. It's 15-minute Friday, and we are going to go nuts. And we are going to be so ambitious that we might fail. But that's okay, because we're going to try real hard. Okay. Can you tell I'm so excited? What a dork. We're going to make a whole journal. We're going to do a whole scrappy journal in 15 minutes. And yeah, we're going to use stickers. That will help on glue time, and we're probably going to use staples. Yeah. So, cheers. Coffee. Let's do it. I really need to get, why don't I own an egg timer, guys? I need to get that, because I glance at the clock, and I'm like, oh man, time is going. All right. Let's see what my phone says for time. So we'll see. We're right at just over 1 minute. So let's get started. I've got a Tim Holtz backdrops here. I'm just going to fold it in half, and we're going to do it this way. Oh, let's go the right way. Yeah, we're going to do it this way. So let's smash this down. Seriously, look, it's going to take me 10 seconds to get this. I don't have 10 extra seconds, man. Okay, so let's see here. I want to round corners. Let's do a big round. How about a 10? I hope that I don't get shaky because I get nervous, and then we don't succeed because I'm being ridiculous. All right, so this is the front, and we're going to use stickers, and maybe we'll use some people too. Let's pick some people to put on here. Those are cute girls. We could go with them, or we could put some gentlemen. Oh, here, how about these ladies? Yep, let's go with those ladies. I've got some kind of big scraps over here, so I organized my stickers. Look. So I know we want, here's some really cool new label stickers that I got. We can't spend too much time deciding. That's a cool one. Here's a typewriter one sitting here. Ooh, White Star, oh, that's kind of sad. White Star Airline, isn't that the Titanic? Well, sorry ladies, you're gonna go on a boat ride. And I got some of these cute little word stickers, and these are gonna need to be trimmed. Not word stickers, just they need to be trimmed. We've got some new flower rolls. Should we maybe put some flowers in the background? What do we got here? We've got these that are kind of, I probably should have opened these first. Well, that was my bad decision making. I hope opening stickers is not going to be what causes us to be late. Look at the pretty colors on those. Bad choice, Amber, bad choice. Look at all the wasted time. Oh, but I want flowers, man. Let's use some of these. Maybe? Yeah. Yeah. All right, come on. I just know that my dog is going to want in while we're trying to do this. How pretty. Yep, we're going to use some of those. All right, we better start inking or we're going to be in big trouble. Oh, and I got these. Look at those. Those are pretty. I don't know. So many choices. Inking. Ah, I should not be already panicking this far into it. We're not going to panic. We're going to have fun. No panicking. I hope these stickers come off easy. That would be really shameful. Not shameful. A shame if we have issues with getting the stickers off. to make a cute little collage. My husband just called me from work. He works earlier than I do. And said, oh my God, there was this big outage. This like cyber outage and the whole world's on fire. I said, oh, what a good time to sit down and craft. Doesn't have to be my problem for another hour or so till I go to work. So, and it's a work from home day, so happy crafting. I love work from home days because then I don't have to spend time driving and I don't have to spend time putting on makeup and all that other nonsense that we tend to do when we go into the office. I would much rather sit here with you guys and just have fun. All right, now let's ink our edges of our journal. We don't need to, I'm not going to ink the inside because it's black. And if you don't like to ink, you don't have to. That is okay. Got our glue close by for our ladies. I do feel kind of bad that we're sending them on the Titanic, but we'll just change our story and it's gonna make it. Okay, inked. All right, let's get a little bit of a composition going here. There. How about here? No, there. We'll put some maybe behind. Maybe we'll layer that up a little bit. And this can go down in the corner. Now, where do we want our flowers? Do we want them at the bottom? We could go under it. It'd be more subtle. We could go this way, but it covers. It's the first thing we got to do, so we need to decide. I think I like it at the bottom. God, I hope this is easy to get off. All right, let's give it a shot. See what it does. Pokey tool. Oh no, pokey tool. Where are you? I don't have any glue on my fingers yet. So hopefully this won't be too terrible. I won't leave too many fingerprints. Don't ever commit a crime if you're a crafter, because your fingerprints are going to be everywhere on your business. Oh, how pretty is that? Oh, I love it. I love it. Temu package came. This is going at the bottom. I hope the red doesn't clash too much. I think it will be okay. We're going to put that right there. And we said we wanted this up here. Oh, straight though, please. Straight-ish, at least straight-ish. It's pretty straight. Oh, those stickers are so fun. Again, Temu. Now, let's decide exactly where we want our ladies. How about right there? And so then we'll put this here. Line it up with that line. Come on now. How we doing here? How's our time? 9 minutes. Are we gonna do it? Oh, well, we were at 1, so it's really only 8 minutes. I think we're gonna do it. long as these stickers don't give me too much more problem. And we said we wanted this about there. And our ladies here. Okay, let's glue our ladies. I wonder if we'll have time to like put a pocket in there or something. Probably not, but maybe. Lots of glue on our lady friends. All right, gals. Oops. Why don't you sit right there on that? Sit down right there on that. How pretty. I like it. Okay. Now, let's get these stickers out of our way. So I pulled out some paper scraps and we are going to, that is not a paper scrap. I don't even know that I'm going to cut this off. I might just leave it on there. Why not? Is it hurting anything? No. How can we do? Maybe like that? Yeah. Oh my gosh, there's my dog. Okay, I'm going to pause. I'm going to check our time. We're at 11 minutes. Her nonsense doesn't count towards our time. Okay, I'm back. I have touched nothing. I have touched nothing. All right, so let's see here. That's how big we want it, right? Yes, it could even be a little shorter. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to trim this. And then I'm going to take the rest of this stack of things over to my paper trimmer. Well, no, here, let's just do it right here. Why not? By the time I get everything off my paper trimmer, it's going to be take more time anyway. And if you want to take more time, is that too much? Maybe we take a couple of these out and put in, let's put in some of these. All right. Just gonna rip this because we are okay if we have different sizes. I am gonna go here and we're gonna use our bone folder to make a nice crease. Let's pull these apart. Those I did together, but that's okay. All right, let's build this puppy. I'll put him like this. Do we want to do any this way? Nah, we'll do it like this. We'll just go alternating. And I don't have to all be in the middle. I got the shakes. Come on. Come on. Now, what time is it? We've got 2 minutes. I'm doing it this way. Am I? No, I'm not. Let's get our... Oh no, stapler open. There we go. Ah. Hey, guess what, book? We need you. All right. Talk about intense. I'm gonna clip these down. Oh, can I clip them down? Let's scoot it over just a touch. We literally have like a minute left. Oh my God, and it won't go all the way flat. Okay, edge of the book, maybe. No! Stapler, you suck. It didn't work. One more shot, stapler. I'll have to throw you away. Oh, hey, do I have, I think I got a work stapler. Oh, I do. What a dummy. Why didn't I do this before? Will that reach? No, but it should open. That still doesn't work. All right, we're going to try one other thing. Let's see if we can manage this without making a huge problem. Come on. Oh, God. Oh, man. Ah. Okay, I think we're okay. Get out of my way. I'm dying here, you guys. I'm dying. Oh, Lord, can I be any more of a mess? Where are we? Did we do it? I think we did. Oh, we might have missed by like 1 minute. We missed. But we're so close, you guys. We're so close. Okay. Maybe it's 15-minute plus Friday. I'm counting it, guys. That stapler. It was the stapler. Blaming equipment failure. Did this come through? It did. Look, guys, we did it. I'm saying we did it. Look at that. Little bitty journal. Flippy flops. And some fun writing. Spaces. I'm calling it a success. And you know what else we could do to make this super cute? Let's grab this. And we're going to put an attachment on here. And you can't really see our fold. Let's pick an attachment. Not that. There we go. That and there. There's our closure. I don't know if you call it cheating to say we succeeded, but I'm going to say we succeeded because I think that technical difficulties should not count against our success. What you think? Not too shabby. I love it. 15-minute gift, you guys. You can totally make these quick, easy, and super cute. What a nice little gift for a friend. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out today, even though it was a little bit crazy and chaotic. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.